Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Essence Play With My Mint and Beauty Big Bang nail foils. Yay! I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and here is Essence, and this one is Play With My Mint. Teapot's going off, so you know it's tea time down here in the south. I am going to cap my free edge first today, and then I'm going to go in with my coat of Play With My Mint. It's a one coater. It's just an amazing polish, and I love the brushes on these polishes. I am so glad to have some of these. My friend Shannon sent them to me. Thank you, Shannon. So here we go with that first easy breezy coat of Play With My Mint. It's just, I love polishes that are easy to work with. I'm going to top it with a Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down, and I probably let this dry for about 15 or 20 minutes before I started messing with the foils. You definitely want to make sure your base is dry. So I'm taking my little snippy scissors and I'm cutting little pieces out about nail size. You know, I always cut these, I cut them like this and then I cut them in half, so because that's the right size for my nails. That's what I love about nail foils. You can do them whatever size your nails are. If you got really long nails, you can do it. So I'm cutting them in half here. And I know they look little, but be honest, it's just, that's the size. That's the size I need. And I was so excited to play with these nail foils. It's been a while since I played with some, so I got all excited. I'm going to use this Yever Star nail glue. You can use whatever kind of nail glue you have. Foil glue. You can also use Best Glue Ever. Anything like that would work. You just want to make sure that it's dry but still tacky. Hi Woody, how you doing? Get that glue off so I don't foil my fingers. And I just tap it on there and just kind of mush it down. And then I take a dry cosmetics wedge and just rub it all in, making sure to get all up close to the edges. Then I'm going to take the back of my cleanup brush, since it's rounded, and I'm going to go around the cuticle and sidewalls real good. And then peel it off. And that part didn't stick very good, so I'm going to real quick just go over it again. Hopefully it went. But that's the reason why I always paint with a similar color of the foils underneath. That way if you've got some bald patches or some places that don't take, it's not near as noticeable. And I'm doing the same thing with the rest of the nails. I thought I would show all of this today. I will speed it up on the next two, but we're just regular on these first two. The other thing that about nail foils is that, you know, if you don't like the way it looks, you can go back in with some more of the nail glue and let it dry, and then go back over it with, you know, a little leftover piece of foil there if you have it. Now you will see in excuse me, I got a frog in my throat. You will see in my swatch photos that I do have a couple of bald spots, and it's so much more noticeable on that up close picture than it really was in real life. If you have something like that and you're really not happy with it, I recommend that you go in, put a little bit of clear nail polish down, and just dot it with some of the flakies, some of those loose flakies, maybe in silver or something. And you know, kind of, or you could even go in with like one of those little striping brushes and, oh, Woody's back. He's really working hard today. But you can go in with like a striping brush and just draw some little wisps and pieces. Now I had a piece on the end that didn't get covered at all with the foil, so I'm going back over it. Just tap, 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 and there we go. Now since these aren't metallic or chrome, I'm able to use just a regular top coat. If you're using foils that are chrome or metallic looking in nature, or even hollow, you'll want to go over it with a water-based top coat first. That way it doesn't crinkle and crack and get all crazy looking. hi Woody, how you doing? He's been a real big help today. So here is my mani in motion, and excuse the dry cuticles, I had forgotten to do my cuticle cream. I did do it for the swatch photo though. So there is my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment. I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself.